Alright, welcome back to Perkins Garage. It's been a while since I posted. Some changes have been made. First thing you might notice is I have a giant toolbox now. My dad retired and decided that he was going to give me his toolbox that he used for wrenching on cars for the last 40 years, 40 plus years. I got that. So a little bit of update and show you what I'm doing today. I picked up this SS dashboard for the Chevelle. The biggest thing was I had ordered all the dashboard parts, and this part right here, the housing, was on back order since last July, so that's why I haven't been working on it that much. And so I got sick of it and called them up, and they said it wouldn't be in until probably April, and I wanted to get this car running by spring, so I did the right thing and went on Marketplace and found a guy that had 70 Super Sport dashboards. This one was actually out of a 70 Monte Carlo, but it's the same exact one. That's the reason why I have tape on here right now, because they pulled the wood grain off of it. Normally Monte Carlo has wood grain. And I'm filling the holes in with some JB Weld. And I'm going to show you my process. So what I did is I put tape on the back side, so that way I can fill it, and then I'm going to cut around these holes here. And this is some of the ones I've already done, just making it so it's not as messy, so I have as little to sand down as possible. And then I got some vinyl interior paint that I'm going to be spraying on it once this stuff dries. So that's what I'm doing today. I'll show you how show you what I'm prepped, and I'll show you what I'm doing with them. So got the backing in there so it doesn't just squish through. And I'm using a bolt. Get up some of that crap. Cake it in there. Good enough. I'll get in there. A little more on this one. Yeah. Some more. And I'm only going to show you one of these, just because I need two hands to do this, but obviously, you can see that. There you go. Just enough to cover it up. And this stuff dries stiff. Peel it up like that, and it's minimal sanding after that, and it should be good to go to paint when it dries. So, alright, I'm going to finish these up, clean it up, and get it prepped for paint. Probably do that tomorrow. So. Alright, so I left you off with putting the JB Weld on my dashboard. As you can see now, it's painted. Turned out pretty nice. You can still kind of tell that those spots are there, but it's not going to bother me at all. I mean, you can't really tell. So I'm getting ready to put this thing together. I've been looking on the internet and YouTube about videos on how to put these together and what all parts you need. So I got my parts from Original Parts Group. Besides the dash housing, they have a whole kit there for the 70 to 72 Chevelle Super Sport dash kits. So, but the main thing is that the housing is on back order and you freaking basically can't get it. So here's what I got. I got a brand new glove box door. Comes with in a kit. So when I picked this up, it actually had all the old stuff on it. So I'll probably end up getting rid of that stuff just because this is brand new. I got a new ashtray for it for smoking my left-handed cigarettes that I never do smoke. This is the cover. This is called the AC Delete. So it goes right there basically, and then your climate control goes here, which I still have in the car. I have a spare one that came on this dashboard. Yeah, I'll probably try to sell it. I don't know. Maybe somebody out there might get it. So here's another thing. So the Dakota Digital right here. This mounts into this bezel. I thought all I needed was this, the backing plate. I don't even know if I need that now with the Dakota Digital because the original gauges would have sat in that too. But I didn't know I needed this as part of the kit because I pieced it together. So, you know, if you're buying this part, you're gonna get the lenses for the lights and your e-brake light lens or whatever. It goes on this bezel. I didn't know that. Here's another one for lights. I think maybe 70, 71, 72. Maybe they changed it from the blue to the clear. I don't know. Then I got the light switch lever. I'm still waiting on the light switch. But I have pretty much everything I need to put this thing together now. So I'm going to start working on that. And probably fumble my way through the whole thing. So enjoy. Probably missing about 1 million screws too, so did keep some from the old dashboard, but they won't match up with this. So I just have to wing it. I thought you had to order this separate, but it comes with this bezel kit. If you order that, you get this. So don't spend $10 ordering one of these. I almost did, because I'm a dummy. And that doesn't make any sense. I don't know. Alright, let's learn together. So, this little brake thingy, that little lens there, I don't know how blurry that is, blurry as shit. So, the bright part is facing you as you put it in. Because once that light lights it up, and then there's a little notch down there, and then it sits right in there just like that. When that light lights up, then you'll see it. Chevelle. Go on the double side. Something like that, I guess. I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to go in. So it's got these little tabs here that you pop this lens on. There's your lenses for that, and then this light looks like that. It goes right on there like that, and then the switch will come in behind it, so I don't have to worry about putting the switch in right now. Well, I think we're going to be close enough. That one lines up. And the bottom one lines up. That one almost lines up. Alright, I'll deal with that. That'll work. So if you buy one of these, you know you got to modify that to make it fit, apparently. Oh, great place for that. Scratch some shit out of this thing. Alright. That's what they make paint for. Alright, let's take a peek. I think that'll do just fine. You're kind of looking down at it. Yeah. Yep, that'll work. I like it. That is that. Safety third. See, when you have these lines on there and then you put it up there and it goes like this, it doesn't line up very well. So that's why God invented power tools. But it gives it character. Let's just leave it. It's straight, but it's not symmetrical. Or, I don't know what you would call it. See? Line's way up here. Do it right. Bitch and moan when you put it in the car. So that's that for that. I was going to put the dashboard in this weekend, but I'm not going to because I got to replace these guys because they flop around really bad and they're broke. So I bought new ones for these. Get those at Original Parts Group. You just screw on right there. They'll probably not come with screws, but this one's really bad. I mean, I don't need them, but I'd rather have them working. So once I get those parts in, then. Alright, so there you have it. Go to town. Another update. A bunch of videos slammed together. What's been kind of going on here at Perkins Garage. Should have this car. I'm hoping to have this car running this spring. At least running, if not driving. Drive shaft's getting shortened because I got the 700 R4 in there right now. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.